Next topic is pilot survey. Before sending the questionnaire to the information, it should be pretested as a result of its shortcomings, if any, can be removed. Such pretesting named as pilot survey. A pilot survey is a preliminary survey used to gather information prior to conducting a survey on a large scale. Pilot surveys, typically taken by smaller groups, help determine the efficiency of the future survey while also helping organization smooth out difficulties before administrating द मेन सर्वे. पायलट सर्वे जो हम सर्वे करते हैं उससे पहले एक सर्वे किया जाता है. ये प्रीलिमिनरी सर्वे होता है, इसे हम पायलट सर्वे कहते हैं. इसमें हम देखते हैं कि जो हम प्लान कर रहे हैं वो हमारा डिटरमाइन कर रहे हैं वो ठीक होगा या नहीं. तो इसके लिए हम एक सर्वे करते हैं जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं, पायलट सर्वे. इट हेल्प्स द इन असेसिंग द suitability of questions, clarity of instructions, performance of enumerators, and the cost and time involved in the actual survey. Our next topic is census survey or sample survey. Under the census method, data are collected for each and every unit of whole population. इसमें जो data collect किए जाते हैं वो पूरी population के किए जाते हैं. This method is also known as complete enumeration or complete survey. इसे हम complete enumeration और complete survey भी कहते हैं. In the field of any statistical inquiry, there may be persons, households, item shops, factories, or any other units. The aggregate as all such similar units under investigation is called census or population or universe. For example, if we want to know the average marks of 100 students of class, then 100 would be called the population universe. Population census carried out after 10 years is an example of census method. A universe may be finite or infinite. The universe is said to be finite when the number of items under study are fixed or known. The number of workers in a factory, the number of students in a school are example of finite universe of population. On the other hand, a universe is infinite when the number of items included in it are unlimited and innumerable. For example, the crowd of listening to public speech by the Prime Minister, the crowd of watching a cricketer match between India and Sri Lanka. In sampling method is a part of universe or population when only some representative items of a population are selected and data collected from these items are used for the analysis. The method is known as sampling method. For example, suppose there are 1000 students in a government senior secondary school. If we want to know the average weight of these students, we may pick up 10 students for this purpose. Here population or universe is the weight of the entire group of 1000 students and weight of 10 students is the sample. The average weight of say 10 students will reasonably be representative of average weight of 1000 students. So some difference in census or sampling survey. First basis is meaning. In census, systematic method that collected and records the data about the number of the population is called census, but sampling refers to a portion of the population selected to represent the entire group in all its characteristics. जो सेंसस होता है वो तो पूरी होल पॉपुलेशन के लिए यूज़ होता है, लेकिन सैम्पलिंग सर्वे हम होल यूनिट्स को ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर देते हैं. एनुमरेशन, इसमें जो एनुमरेशन होता है वो पूरा कंप्लीट होता है, सैम्पलिंग में हम पार्शल करते हैं. स्टडी ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी यूनिट ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन, only a handful of units of the population. Time required in census, it is a time consuming process, but sampling is a fast process because इसमें हम जो सैम्पलिंग में जो सर्वे करते हैं वो होल का ना करके इसको ग्रुप्स या यूनिट्स में करते हैं. कॉस्ट, census is an expensive method but sampling is a economical मेथड। तो ये डिफरेंस थे सेंसस और सैम्पलिंग के। न्यू टॉपिक इज सैम्पलिंग एरर्स एंड नॉन सैम्पलिंग एरर्स। Sampling error refers to the difference between the sample result and the census result of a characteristics of the population। जो सैम्पलिंग एरर्स होते हैं वो रिजल्ट होता है किसका, डिफरेंस होता है किसका, एक तो जो हम सैंपल जो रिजल्ट है उसके और जो हमारा सेंसस रिजल्ट है उसका जो डिफरेंस होता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, सैम्पलिंग एरर्स कहते हैं। द रिजल्ट्स ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द सैंपल may not percent correct even it utmost care has been taken। Sampling errors are two types: biased errors or unbiased errors। Biased errors are those errors which are as a result of any bias or prejudice of the selector। If deliberate sampling method is adopted in place of simple random sampling method, some errors will certainly arise। Such errors are also known as cumulative errors or non-compensating errors, as bias or prejudice remains constant as the number of the sample increases। Unbiased errors are accidental in nature and are without any bias of the investigator। These errors are not because of any bias on the part of the investigator, but because of chance difference between the units of the population included in the sample and those not included. It is known as random sampling error. It goes on increasing on an average as the size of the sample increases. Therefore, these errors can be minimized by taking a large sample। Non-sampling errors. Non-sampling errors can take place in any time of survey, whether it is a census or sample survey। These errors are also called as measurement errors। These errors are committed intentionally or unintentionally in the investigations। These include all bias and mistakes। There are three types of non-sampling errors: error in data acquisition, non-response error and sampling bias। तो ये आपका लास्ट टॉपिक था इस चैप्टर का। ये अपना टॉपिक दी एंड होता है। इसको आप अपनी बुक में से और अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे, अच्छे से समझेंगे। थैंक यू, गुड बाय।